Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Trill, and I got a back-to-back-to-back unboxing. I know y'all wasn't expecting that, so enjoy. But today we got the Alcatel Cameo X. It's another AT&T prepaid phone I got from Family Dollar, and where is that receipt at? $48, so I'm kind of hoping it'll be good, so let's go and do it. Alright, so before I start, why do I keep seeing these products with the letter X in the name of them? So, it's just like random, just like out of nowhere. So, we have the Gear Icon X, we have the iPhone X, we have the Cameo X, we have XXX Tentacion. Okay, let me stop. No, but for real, why do I keep seeing that? I really don't know why, but whatever, we're gonna just get into it. So, AT&T Prepaid Unlimited, you know, regular stuff, Alcatel Cameo X, that's what the phone looks like, and there's nothing gonna be around there, so we might as well just get into the box. So, usual ripping right there, and wow, it didn't rip again at the end. That's pretty surprising, just like the ZTE, they must have fixed it. So, what we're gonna do is, actually, hold on, I'm getting way too ahead of myself. So, there's the phone right there, and here's the specs. We got a wide-angle selfie camera, 5-inch display with dragon tail glass, 5 megapixel with LED flash rear facing and 2 megapixel front facing. 16 gigs of internal memory. I don't know if the ZTE Maven 3 had that, but 16 gigs of internal memory and up to 128 gigs expandable. I know the ZTE didn't have that. And Android 7.0 Nougat. So let's go ahead and get into this now. Alright, so I'm kind of excited for this phone in particular. So let's go ahead and get this thing out the box. I mean, if we can. Okay, we're gonna just go and do this here, and then we're gonna push it out like that. There we go. Whoa, it's white? Was not expecting that, and I kinda like that. I finally got a white phone with a black front. So we're gonna go ahead and just peel that off right there, if we can get this in the camera. This is kinda satisfying. And then we got these oversized buttons right here. So let me go and grab the ZTE right here. This is the size the button should be, not overly sized like this, Alcatel. If you're watching this, yeah, go ahead and make those smaller. But we're gonna put that to the side for once in this video, because in here I just rushed into the phone. So we're gonna go ahead and actually get into the box on here. So we have the charger right here, we have the charging brick right here, we have our user manuals that we all know that we're not gonna read, so I don't know why they keep including it into the box. It's probably why Samsung only includes a quick start guide these days. And we have a blue battery, because why not? And that is it for the box. So I really don't know what this is, just white thing, I don't know. But first impressions, looking at this real quick, it looks pretty small and cheap, to be honest with you. But over here on the right side, we have our volume rockers, which are together. And we have our texture power button. Thanks, Alcatel. On the left side, we don't have anything. On the bottom, we have a charging port right here, micro USB again. I don't have any phones yet with a USB Type-C port until I get my S9, maybe. At the top, we have our 3.5mm headphone jack that does not look like 3.5mm. We have our microphone right here, and on the front, we have our buttons again. We have our earpiece, we have our camera. And on the back, we have our camera, flash, AT&T logo, Alcatel logo, and our speaker, and that is it for the phone. Now, we're all going to watch Latrell struggle to get into his phone because he has no fingernails, so, oh wow, I actually got into it. Take that, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and put this battery in here. I'm going to go ahead and start up this thing, and we're going to see what's up with this. So, I'm holding on to it right now. I feel a vibration. It feels like this vibration right here. Not really sure why, but I'm going to go ahead and just wait for this to boot up. I'm going to go ahead and set it up, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. So I was setting it up and I was using it for a little bit, but first thing I want to say is Alcatel, my guys, what even are these icons, man? But first impressions with this phone, it seems to run pretty alright. It doesn't run slow, it doesn't run fast, it's pretty meh in my opinion. But one thing that really sucks on here is that these aren't backlit, but this is, and this is cheaper, which doesn't really make sense to me at all. You can't really see in the video, but yeah, it's backlit. But this is not, but it is what it is. So I'll get back to y'all on this phone. And yeah, that was pretty much it. That's all I got to say for this phone. And I will see you on the next one. And a peace out.